Of course, us younger generation at that time were always interested in our motorcycles of the said village. So the evening of August the 12th, 1927, Harry Pickworth had many admirers, as you could imagine. This is a lovely bit. As so many other bikes of the village, being generally AJS, Raleigh New Imperial BSA Douglas, this was the pride of the village, as she was a beauty. What a lovely thing to say about that bike. Anyway, it goes on to explain that when Harry died and how Harry died, sometime after 1927, that it then went to another family, and from thence on, it went to him. So he said he rode the bike age 18 in around 1930, and he got the bike in 1956, so he waited around 25 years to own it. So it's a really sweet little story.